All right, check this out. So let's press the 6 key, and now let's like make a donut. Boom, little donut. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Now let's try like horizontal. What about a vertical? Does the vertical work? Let's go vertical. Okay, that looks good. Okay, let's try a different tile. Let's try. No, oops, I did not. I don't mean to go by powers of 2. That's not what I meant to do. I meant to use the same size, but. There we go. Actually, I like this one. I like this one. Okay, let's draw with this one. And then, oh yeah, okay. Okay, let's make some, like, connectors. Bam, bam. All right, let's make a thicker connector. All right. Okay, fucking badass. Okay, let's look at what we did. So, over here in the 4-set remix tables, we made 2 mistakes. And right down here, we're kind of remixing these 4-set subtiles. These 2 are wrong. These were wrong here. So now we have fixed that, and that's that. So to review, because I don't think we ever did it in the fast videos, but we see the A1, A4, B1, and B4 for this first record right here. That's these cells right here. And when we glue together these cells, we're going to create a cap tile for Y1. We're going to create a cap tile for Y1. And that's what's going on down here. Now, down here, if we take these cells and smash them together, we're going to create a cap tile for Y0. And that's what's going on this line. So you can see the Y0 is set here, and the Y1 is set here. So we calculate the touching value. We calculate what neighbors we have. We create a binary pattern. And these binary patterns are listed in order. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc., all the way up to 15, but we labeled it in a binary. Okay, so here's what we did, and we're done. That's it. So if you want a longer explanation, go here. You have been here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. So like, subscribe, send money in the mail.